Hey guys, it's Braden here with Murdoch Reviews. Can you believe what I'm wearing? Do you wonder what it is? Let me show you. So the company on Amazon reached out to me and they said they wanted to send this to me to review. I was all in for it because with my line of work, I do microsurgeries and it's very, very delicate. And at home, I like to practice and do little suturing techniques. And so this was an awesome no-brainer gift that I really wanted to review. So let me break it down and tell you a little bit about it. Typically loupes, or these little high magnification glasses that you can wear, they usually come in a fixed magnification. So they have 2.5, 3.5, 10.5. There's varying degrees of magnitude. But the thing that I have noticed is that not a lot of them have the ability to adjust. And that is where this one is completely different. So this comes with different magnifications from 2x all the way up to 13x. And they're stackable, meaning I could put the 10x and the 13x together to give me even more magnification of the most fine detail. Now, these are, as you can see, they sit here on the bridge of the nose. There's a little rubber pad on the back. This has an elastic strap on the back, but it also has kind of a glasses setup, which I don't prefer because I like it to be snug on my head. And it's got individual one or two together. Currently, I have the 2x magnification on here, but you can also see that there are these little LED lights on top. There are two settings, a low setting and a high setting, and those can be turned off or turned on. And there's a little USB plug up here at the top where you are able to charge that. These come with a defaulted 0 prescription magnification in here, and that's just a slot holder, but these are the 2x, as you can see. Whoa, wow. And those are easy enough to just kind of slip in and change the mag, which is nice. And then they have these space holders here at the back that have nothing in them, but that allows you to do the near work. And for near stuff, these are just fine. They have a big range of view, unlike many loupes that are out there. And so I don't think that's going to be a problem whatsoever. So what I've been doing is I've been using these to practice suturing and things around the house, which help me to prepare for surgeries. And I'll kind of show you what those look like. So I use these little teeny sutures, as you can see here. And without any magnification, it's very, very difficult to perform those practicing sutures. And so I'll show you what that looks like, kind of a magnification of what those look like. As you can see, they are very, very small. And so having something like this to help me is incredibly useful. So this can be used for a lot of different things. This can be used for hobbies. This can be used for coins. This can be used for fine sewing, needlework, and they're pretty comfortable on the head. They stay fixed, and you get a little bit of illumination as well. My 2 cents is if you're looking for loupes that are adjustable, get you a little bit of light, these are a very easy way to do it. And because you can do monocular, you can work here at near and then at the distance, and it makes it a little bit easier. So huge thanks to the company for sending it out for my review. These are awesome.